Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust MTB derailleurs. First, let's tackle the front derailleur. Begin by understanding the limit screws, marked H and L. The low limit screw prevents your chain from overshifting off the smallest chainring. Adjust it so the chain just clears the inner cage plate. Then, set the high limit screw to ensure smooth movement onto your largest chainring without overshooting. This foundational step is crucial for crisp front shifts. Once your limit screws are set, it's time for cable tension. Shift to the smallest chainring and loosen the cable anchor bolt. Pull the cable taut, then retighten the bolt. Now, shift up to the middle or largest chainring. If shifting is sluggish, add tension using the barrel adjuster on your shifter or derailleur. Too much tension can cause overshifting, while too little results in slow, hesitant changes. Aim for a responsive, clean shift. Moving to the rear derailleur, start with the H and L limit screws. The high limit screw prevents the chain from going into the spokes, while the low limit screw stops it from dropping off the smallest cog. Next, adjust the B-tension screw to ensure proper clearance between the upper jockey wheel and the cassette cogs, typically around 6 mm. This ensures crisp, efficient shifting across your entire gear range. With limits and B-tension set, fine-tune your rear derailleur indexing using the barrel adjuster. Shift through each gear, making small adjustments until every shift is smooth and immediate. Regular cleaning and lubrication of your drivetrain are also essential for maintaining optimal performance and extending component life. Remember, a well-adjusted derailleur makes a huge difference on the trail. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.